Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and today we're going to do something special here on my channel. I'm going to make for you one of my family's special recipes. It started with, I believe, my aunt making it, and then I got the recipe years and years ago, probably I would say 10 to 15 years ago, and it's something that I make every Thanksgiving, Christmas, any holiday. This would be a great treat for your family or just any day. It is just always the favorite, and I guarantee if you bring this to any function, you will be famous. That will be the hit of the party, is this. And it is the corn souffle made with the Jiffy corn muffin mix. And this video is sponsored or in collaboration with Walmart. So Jiffy mix, and all of these things I did get at Walmart. The cream style corn, golden sweet kernel corn, butter. I like the Kerrygold. And then typically I double this recipe that I'm going to give you, and typically I make it in this dish. For today, I'm just going to do a single recipe, and I'm going to make it in this dish. I just got this last night, matter of fact, at Walmart, and I met one of my subscribers. That was very nice and just so flattering. So thank you for speaking to me. Stephanie's corn souffle, because when I got this, she was the one that's making it, and that is my cousin. So for this single recipe, it's going to be 2 eggs, slightly beaten, half a stick of butter, softened. Mine has been out since last night, 8-ounce cup of sour cream, 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 can of cream corn, 1 can of whole corn, including the juice. Mix and bake at 350 for 45 to 60 minutes. Greased dish, and she put glass dish, but this will be fine. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get all of my ingredients out here and start the preheat on my oven. Okay, so let's start off with my mixing bowl. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, and it is raining here today, so I have got every light on. Is there, maybe I could put that light on, but I don't know if it'll help. Let me try just in case. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything. And I'll bet that you can make these in muffins, but I've never done that. I've always just done it this way. Okay. Now let's do the 2 eggs, slightly beaten. You basically just want to break the yolks when you do this. Okay. And this is actually one of those dishes I got last year from Walmart. Okay, so this is going to be just half a stick of butter, softened. And I did indeed wash my hands before we started. Okay, and then I like to take a little bit of butter to grease my pan. Okay, and then this is an 8-ounce. Oh, it's actually a 16-ounce. Okay, so we just need half of this. Oh, goodness. I might even measure it out just to make sure. Okay, there you go. I would say that's about half of this, about 8 ounces. Okay, I'm gonna start a little bit of this, stirring together the whole corn. And even with the water that's in it. Okay, and this is the cream style corn. My favorite. My mom used to do this all the time. Bigger spoon here. Mix this all together. I try to look for like pieces of the butter too that aren't all the way beat up. Like that. Here, I feel like I can do it better with the small spoon because I like to just kind of mash those pieces of butter against the side to break them up. I will take a little piece of wrap, and to grease my dish, I will just take that butter and grease the dish. Make sure you get around the sides. Okay. Now, while we're waiting for my oven to preheat, let's go see some gifts that I have chosen for, it could be your neighbor, your neighbor's child, your mailman, a teacher, but I picked some of the things that I think are great gifts, and I think all of these I received the next day after I ordered them. I think there was 2 that were 2 days. So let's go see what I picked out. You'll probably hear the rain, sorry. Okay, one thing I suggest is I try to get things like these that I know are true blue, people love them. I try not to get anything that's like too generic or too fancy when it comes to sweet treats. When you want to just give someone a little bit of something, just a meaningful, thoughtful gift for the holidays. So this is something that I know most people love, and these are also good to put just like a gift card on top of this and give this as a gift. I love to get like cookies in the pretty tins like this because you can reuse the tin. That person can eat the cookies in here, reuse the tin, maybe give it as a gift to someone else, or just use it for themselves. This, I think, is a favorite of many. This would be a great teacher gift. The Starbucks Holiday Blend, notes of sweet maple and herbs with the cup. And I know people love those. So this is a really good gift. This would be a good gift for a teacher, neighbor, mailman, friend, like I said, to put a gift card with. This is another interesting gift. It is the Godiva chocolate, and it is the 12 days of Godiva, kind of like the Advent calendar. I thought that was cute. This I thought was a great gift to take as a hostess gift to a holiday party, or give to that person that you know loves wine. Has the to and from and the tumblers, and I love the design with the gold and the white. I just thought that was so pretty and a really cool gift. You could actually just take this with a bottle of wine to a neighborhood party or a friend's house. I thought that was really cool. Okay, this is from Better Homes and Gardens. It is an oversized Sherpa throw. Everything I have ever gotten from this line has been so nice. When I saw this particular print, I thought of my daughter Brooke, who is 22. She just moved out, got her own place with roommates. I guess about 6 months ago, and she has always liked, her and my mom both have always loved kind of like that Aztec type print or Southwest type print, and I saw this and I thought she would love it, but there are several to choose from. It's 6 feet long, so it's a great little throw to have for the sofa. Okay, this is a Ghirardelli stainless steel travel mug with a hot cocoa mix, double chocolate, and a little peppermint bark. This would be just perfect for just the UPS guy, the mailman, just someone that you wanted to just say a little thank you. Here again, you could put a gift card with it or anything, maybe your favorite hot cocoa, some more candy or anything like that, but I just thought it was wrapped up in such a nice little presentation. If you are going to give to someone who doesn't eat sugar, this is something that I get from my dad a lot, or the Hillshire Farms little treats like this. It's kind of like a charcuterie in the making here. It's from Hillshire Farms. It has the crackers, the Bavarian mustard, summer sausage, Swiss cheese, and cheddar. Just a great little snack cheese set for the holidays. This, I think, is absolutely beautiful. Just a great presentation. $19.98 is the price. Of course, you would take this off, but look, it has the chocolate in there. It has buttery and flaky, like little cookie crisp pastries. It has wafers, has all kinds of little sweet treats in here, and this little decorative tin that they could use afterwards. And it's just like when you go to a party or go to your family's house, this would be something nice to take, you know, by itself or along with something else. Just really pretty, I think. I've enjoyed all of these sitting on my table. And then last but not least, I think this may be my favorite. I think this would be great for grandchildren, nieces and nephews, or for your children, just to make the s'mores and the hot cocoa and just all of those things a good little activity for them. And I think this would also be good for neighbors' children. Like if your neighbors have small children and you just wanted to get a little something for them for Christmas, it's $13.98, and those are just so cute. It's like Mr. and Mrs. Snowman and just all the things in here, good Dove chocolate to make s'mores, and just a really pretty package. And there we go, a whole table full of gifts that would be quick and easy, and just, I'm sure that they would love it because these are things that are tried and true. And I just realized, oh, there's my oven. Okay, I just realized Will has his fly trap here on the table. He's not looking good, let's just say that. Okay, so here we go. Let me scoot this stuff out of the way here that we don't need. We've got our dish greased up with butter. I'm gonna give this another little stir. Sometimes you have to make sure you get at the bottom so that the Jiffy mix doesn't stick to the bottom. Oh, I see a little blob of butter. It was room temperature, but because it's a little bit cooler, probably it didn't. Okay, so we're gonna pour it in. Now we're gonna take it over, put it in the oven. There we go. And I will be right back with the finished product, and I wish you could taste it. I wish I could taste it. I love this so much. This is one of the things that I would really overdo at Christmas, during the holidays. Another thing is my sister-in-law does a sausage, it's a sausage and cheese casserole made with the croissants rolled out. Those two things were the things I looked forward to every year that I would definitely overdo. So both of those, maybe I can get that recipe from her and do that next time. So I'll be right back with you in just a few minutes. Okay, another thing I wanted to tell you guys, if you were liking my lip combo, this is I started off with the Revlon Sienna lip liner and this lipstick, and this is Maybelline 177 Bare Reveal. And then I put a little bit of Maybelline Totally Toffee over it, just to kind of, you know, because I had kind of lost some of my lip liner. But this is a really good nude. Okay, it looks about ready. Let me show it to you. See how it's cracking on the top and it's getting brown? I'm gonna put it in there for about 5 more minutes just because I want mine good and brown and good and done in the middle. So let's put it in there just for 5 more minutes. Okay, I think we're ready. Yes, much better. Okay, off. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, get a good grip on it. Here we go. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, okay. Let me go set it down and I'll move you over here. Move you over here so you can see. I got my tree, but we haven't decorated yet. John's getting more lights. And here we go. So of course I won't put the lid on. I will definitely let this cool for a little while. Let me take this off of the stand. Here we go. So this is the way you want it to look. See how it's pulled away from the edges. It's kind of cracking in the center and you've got some brown spots. So it will kind of settle. It is going to be so good. And this will serve, I would say 10 people. I was finishing up the video and my camera, the battery ran out. So just wanted to show you these gifts again. And I just ordered this yesterday from Walmart for my trip that's coming up. I have luggage, but I have the bigger one and then the smaller one. And I wanted 2 big ones. So I ordered this from Walmart. Let's see what it looks like. I always just get black. I know that it blends in a little bit better, but the other ones just get so dirty. So this is what I got, the 28-inch upright Regency collection. And I can't even remember what my other ones are. Are they pink? I think they're pink. So I will just put something on here so that I can tell it from the other ones. And then it's got the wheels, but I wanted to have plenty of room in case I bought some things while I was there. That stresses me out, and I would rather just check my bags and not worry about it. So I think Walmart is fabulous about their deliveries. Okay, let me show you one more time our corn souffle and then I will let you go. Here we go. Wow, the lighting is so, I'm using my phone now, the lighting is so much better. If you guys could just smell this, it smells so good. My family is gonna be so happy. They're gonna wonder what the heck is going on. So here it is. There are some gifts, and thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. Thank you to you guys for being here. Happy holidays. It's gonna be December 1st when I post this, and I'm very excited. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.